What's up, y'all? We finally made it to day 29, right? We got one more day. So today, we changed it up a little bit. But we're gonna be using this parking lot, you know what I'm saying, to like practice on our sit-down wheelies. And we're gonna try to get these sit-down wheelies perfect by tomorrow, man. We gonna do it. Like I've been telling y'all, man, never give up, man. Never give up. You know what I'm saying? Always push through it, no matter what. You feel me? Set goals for yourself and accomplish your goals. That's what this channel is about, man. This channel is about setting goals for yourself, accomplishing your goals, because you can do anything that you put your mind to. So enough with that talking. We at day 29, man, and we about to start busting some wheels. Yesterday, man, I thought I burnt out this motor, man. I swear, because the battery dropped down to 70% and it wasn't pulling like it usually, you know? It was like bogging out. So I'm like, man, I hope I didn't burn out this motor, because this is supposed to be a good ass motor. The QS125 supposed to be one of the best motors, you know what I'm saying, that you could put on a little a pit bike, you feel me? And I thought I burnt that thing out, but you know, it's good. It's good. So they said it's gonna last forever. You know what I'm saying? So it's good. So we're gonna try some do some circle wheelies.
Into the master plan, I feel like they will never let me shine. What do you need to say that feels so grand? Why is yours so much better than mine? I gotta wait in line for you to feel me. I got to hold my time for your healing. I got to take a back seat, are you kidding? I got to grab my chance, cause it's fleeting. Cause this just feels like yesterday. This just feels like yesterday. Oh, this just feels like yesterday. Oh, this just feels like yesterday.
Hey, this thing hit different with a fucking full battery. I ain't never really charged my battery over 80%, like 82%. But right now I got it up to like 86%, and it hits different, man. I'm telling you, it hits hard. And it's like really easy to keep it up in the air. Cause I've been having my battery too low. I didn't know that. And I just now found out that I gotta at least charge it to 88%. You feel me? And it hit way different. One thing too, when you're doing your wheelies, right, it's about body position, right? So you gotta have like perfect body position. So you can lean back, you know what I'm saying? When you, no, what you do is you can lean forward a little bit and bring the bike up higher. You know what I'm saying? Like you get closer to the handlebars, you can bring the bike up higher. And then once you feel the bike, you know what I'm saying? It's feel like it wanna come down, then you can lean back a little bit, give it more throttle, and you can just hold it up a little bit longer. So, you know what I'm saying, that's what I'm learning right now, like different body position. So I start off like kind of close in, then I relax. I'll start relaxing, then I lean back a little bit, and I can wheelie it longer. You know what I'm saying? I'm learning how to control the wheelie instead of just chasing a wheelie. You want to do a balanced wheelie so you don't have to go that fast. That's what I'm learning right now.
Burning me.